Welcome to MSN Germany, your ultimate guide for master's studies in Canada. In today's video, we will be discussing about the process of obtaining a German student visa. We understand that the visa application process can be overwhelming, but we are here to simplify it for you. My name is Sanskruti Bhateja and I am an education consultant from the MSN Germany team. We will be discussing the steps you need to take to apply for a German student visa, the necessary documents, and additional tips to maximize your chances of getting a student visa. But before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and watch this video till the end for getting the maximum benefits. The first step to apply for a German student visa is to locate the nearest German embassy or a consulate. You can find this information on the official website of German embassy in your country. Once you have located the embassy, review the requirements and the procedures for obtaining a student visa. Make sure you review all the information before proceeding for a visa appointment. After reviewing the requirements, set up an appointment by the steps mentioned on the embassy website. It is important to note that in some countries the visa slots can fill up quickly, so act fast. Before your visa appointment, ensure that you have all the necessary documents with you, and it includes your passport, a proof of financial resources, a proof of acceptance in a German university, and a health insurance certificate. During your visa appointment, you will be interviewed by a consular officer. It is important to prepare yourself for the interview by paying the visa fees and having the confirmation with you. The fees for a German student visa varies from 60 to 75 euros. Additionally, be ready to answer some of the common interview questions. The best time to apply for a student visa is after receiving the university letter of admission and after securing the necessary funds for studies and your living expenses in Germany. You will need to provide a proof of financial resources through a blocked account or other means. To maximize your chances of securing a student visa, it's better to use a blocked account as a proof of financial resources. A blocked account is a special type of bank account that proves that you have enough funds to live in Germany for a year. As of 2021, you need to have a minimum of 934 euros in your bank account per month for living expenses in Germany. So a total of 11,208 euros, which is approximately 9,60,000 Indian rupees, before applying for a German student visa. On an average, it takes 25 days for your German student visa application to be processed, but it varies depending upon the country you have applied from and the German embassy you have applied to. All other German visa applications for studies are normally processed within 3 months. If you are planning to go to Germany to apply for university admission in person, then you need to apply a German student application visa. This visa is initially issued for 3 months but can be extended for another 6 months upon your arrival in Germany. I hope that this video was informative and helped you understand the process of obtaining a German student visa. If you have any queries or any doubts, feel free to connect with us over a free consultation call for our guidance. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with a friend. Thank you for watching and we wish you good luck for your studies in Germany.